Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, Parsha vayechi.
In this video, we have a question for you. How come that all the fathers are blessing their children with Efrayim and Menashe and not Abraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov? By the end of the video, you will know. Look who were the brothers until Efrayim and Menashe. We had Cain and Hevel. I am Cain, and I killed Hevel, my brother, with my own hands. Would you like this kind of a brother? Then we had Ishmael and Yitzchak. And Abraham told Ishmael, you have to go away from my home because you're teaching my son Yitzchak that has to continue the nation of Israel. You're teaching him bad things. Would you like this kind of a brother? And then we had Esav and Yaakov.
Why you're so bloody?
Oh, I'm bloody because I just came from hunting and I hunted a lot of animals, and that's why you see the blood is all over.
That they were fighting all the time about their blessings.
Would you like this kind of a brother? Tell me.
And then we had Yosef and his brothers.
In the pit! Oh.
Would you like brothers like this?
And then we have Efrayim and Menashe. Let's see how they behave. You go first. You, my little brother. I love you so much. You go first.
You're my bigger brother, so you should go first.
No. You go first.
No, it's you.
You go first.
You.
Let's go together in. Let's go together.
I want to give this to Menashe. I came back from yeshiva, but he's at business, so I want to give this beautiful muffin to Menashe.
Hi, Efrayim. Hi, my love. Ooh, did Mommy make the English muffin with Egyptian chocolate?
Yes!
Oh, you know how much I love this.
Yes, so since you love this so much, why don't you take it?
No. Mommy made it for you, probably.
No, probably.
You will hear first.
No.
How about if we split it to two?
Yes, that would be amazing.
Oh, wow, look. We have a present. Okay, you, my darling Efrayim, you open it first.
You.
No, you open it first.
No, you. The box is mine.
The box, you want the box to be your gift?
Why?
Why?
Because look.
Wow, excellent.
So let's both open it.
Both.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Wait. Kids, do you want to see what's in here? Should we show them? Should we show them? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Shh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Too soft.
2 angels. You know, we are making so many good angels because we love each other. Do you understand now why the blessing is with Efrayim and Menashe? Because they were the first brothers in the world that loved each other, were happy when something good happened to the other brother, and they were good brothers. Also, they were born in Egypt, and still they were very proud Jews, This is what every father and mother wants, that their children will stay Jewish, will love the Torah and Hashem, and will create a lot of good
To
angels.
be continued. Look for videos vayechi 2. Have a good day.